Using vidIQ for YouTube Shorts is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can use vidIQ for YouTube Shorts. Well, first things first, I'm gonna tell you how to install it. For that, you simply have to search for vidIQ and then go to the first link which should say vidIQ, and then you just have to add this into your Google Chrome store. So for that, I'm just gonna search for vidIQ extension and then simply go to this link, and then you simply have to click on this install Chrome extension and then click on this install. As you guys can see, this thing is automatically installed. I've already installed vidIQ. Now I'm just going to click on this enable now, and my vidIQ is enabled. Now after that, if I go to YouTube, vidIQ will show me the stats of the video. So what you have to do is you just have to go to the shorts section, and in the shorts section it will start giving the information for the vidIQ. So here it will want me to log in. Once I'm logged in, it will give me the information about the hashtags, topics that the shorts are using, and all the necessary details which you need to analyze the video. So suppose if you want to grow on YouTube, you just have to install vidIQ, analyze others' content, and there you go, you will be able to create a high engaging content for yourself using the vidIQ analytics as well. So that's very much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.